How to fix Steam Error E20. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. Without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Run and open it up. Once you open this Run prompt in your device, on the text field that says Open, you have to type in %localappdata and %. Once you're done typing this, click on OK. That's going to open up this folder. Here you can find all of your cache folder. Now in order to fix your problem, click on any one of the folder, then press or enter S key in your keyboard, and from here search for Steam. Here it is. Now you have to delete this cache folder for Steam. Right click on it and then you can delete this Steam folder from here. Once you delete that folder, you can close it, then restart your PC. After that, your problem will be solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.